Hi everyone, welcome to JavaScript 30 days LeetCode challenge. Now we are in Naresh IT. Now we are going to discuss a new problem here, 2621 promise sleep. Now if you want to know in detail about promises and how they work, you can check it our other promises videos also, but you can even get it here. Let me give a quick glance of what is a promise. Now any asynchronous operation, when you are taking it, that means which will take it a particular time. For example, an API call, you are requesting some an API, or you are doing some kind of set timeout. After a particular time you just wanted some function to run. In these kind of times, whatever the object which returns, whether resolve or reject, is actually promise. Promise is an object which returns resolve or reject or kind of things which will take it, which got resolved after a specific time. Now you can see this asynchronous operations, and you will resolve the promise by something called then, catch, or you can even make it async await to resolve the promises. Let's see the exact question here. Given a positive integer millis, so I am taking it millis, here they are taking it millis, write an asynchronous function that sleeps for millisecond. So we need to write a function. That function should sleep, that means should not run until some milliseconds. After some milliseconds that function should run. Now you can put it directly set timeout, but they wanted a promise for that. They wanted a promise. That means, see, imagine I gave a promise to you that after a specific time that I will come. Similarly, they wanted in this particular function to give a promise that after a specific time it will give you the actual result. How do you do that? So which is very simple. This one also teaches you the promises. I'm writing a new promise here, and the promise contains here a resolve, comma, reject. If the promise got resolved, it will go into the resolve one. If the promise got reject, it will go into the reject one. Now here I am defining it, resolve here after a specific time. Now you can write it here any kind of names, but here I'm just taking it on a complete names here. Now if I write it here something like some function or something resolve hi, then hi will be resolved directly. That's see, I am just returning a promise which will resolve hi, but I don't want that. I want this hi to resolve after a specific time. Let's take it set timeout, which will work after a specific time. So now in this set timeout, you can give a function. You can give a function and you can give some set time. Here I am setting a time here. How much time you want it to be? I want time of millis, after millis, and then I will write it here some value of resolve. So now basically what I am saying it is, here this millis time, after the milliseconds of time, this set timeout will call this resolve hi. Whenever it executes this resolve hi, then the promise will get resolved and it will return something called hi. If I call this sleep millis, imagine if I call sleep 100, after 100 milliseconds, then I will get it something called hi. Okay, which you can try it on. Let's just run it. Yeah, it got successful. Yeah, that's it, and we'll check it on more programs. You can check it on our other LeetCode problems. In case if you get it any doubts, you can always contact us. Thank you all.